So when it comes to peas, first of all, I plant some hand forks width apart, and then I measure the middle to pop another one in. So I've just done that along the trellis at first, and then I go back and centre the next one, and I've just dug a hole because obviously mine have been in root trainers, and then I'll pop it in. So can you see, because these have been in root trainers, they're doing phenomenal. So then I literally just pop it in at the same level it was in the root trainer, and then backfill, and then I'll water them in really well, and they'll naturally grab onto the trellis with their tendrils. But if it's going to be excessively windy, you can gently tie them in with some string, but don't tie them tight because the pea stem's quite fragile and it'll snap. So just loosely, so it's got a bit of windrock, and they'll be perfectly fine outdoors now in the cold. Don't worry about them, they're very hardy and prefer the cool weather. Can you see this one started to tendril? So that will eventually hook round onto the trellis. Now I'm just using this sort of trellis, a metal one which I got at the garden centre, but you can just use string between twigs, or put them on a teepee. That works perfectly fine too. So this is about 5 inches apart, but you can do peas as close as 3 inches if you're lacking in space. Be absolutely fine.